Hello friends, I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia. Today I'm going to talk about the task of summarize spoken text and listening fill in the blanks, both these tasks together. Both of these tasks are really important to get a good score in listening and also in writing. Now, first let me talk about summarize spoken text. There are a lot of times when students make mistakes when they fit the keywords in the template. Make sure about two rules which I'm going to share. The first rule is, whenever it's an uncountable noun, leave it as it is. Uncountable nouns are nouns which cannot be counted. For example, words like globalization, urbanization, you don't have to add articles like a and the before such nouns. The second type of keywords are countable nouns, which you can count. Now, whenever there are countable nouns in the audio, even if you don't hear an article before them, you yourself must make sure to convert them into plural nouns. For example, if you hear a smart student in the audio, when you're fitting that adjective plus noun smart plus smart student in your template, you yourself must convert it into plural. So what you must add is smart students instead of smart student. Always make countable nouns plural. That way you don't have to worry about adding articles like a and the before the noun. That is one tip which I have for you. Second is, whenever there is a verb plus noun combination which you want to fit in summarize spoken text, it is compulsory to convert that into ing form. For example, in the audio, let's say you hear create a job. So what you have to do is you have to write creating, and job, because it's countable, you have to convert into plural. So creating jobs. But if it is, let's say there is a phrase and there are two words which you listen, like reduce poverty, reduce pollution. So what you have to write is reducing poverty, reducing pollution. So whichever the verb, you have to convert into ing form. Also, please be very careful that by mistake, if you add only adjectives in the keywords in the template, for example, solar, marketing, so these are all adjectives, mostly advanced, increasing, these are not nouns. So if you add only adjectives like economic, then you are at a risk of a penalty in listening and writing both. So make sure it should be adjective plus noun combinations like economic, aid. If these two words are together, you have to write them together, otherwise you won't get any points or content. Also, if possible, don't write only names of countries or timelines. For example, the speaker was talking about the 18th century. The speaker was talking about 2021. These are not keywords. The speaker was talking about USA. The speaker was talking about Paris. These are not keywords. You will not get any points for such words because they don't make any sense on their own. So keywords have to be ideally groups of words which use together, which make pairs. The other suggestion is about listening fill in the blanks. Please make sure that you type enough number of blanks before your exam. Certain times there will be blanks which you know, but you will not be 100% sure about the spelling. And if you write the wrong spelling, then again there is a penalty in the listening and writing scores. It is very important that you make 0 mistakes in listening and writing blanks if you are aiming for 79 plus in listening and writing both. And quality content in summarized spoken text is a very effective way of improving and increasing the listening score to 79 plus. Make sure you save this video so that you can watch it before your exam, and do comment, share and follow us. At the moment we are providing our guaranteed PT, IELTS and NATI coaching services, which can be done face to face if you are in Melbourne, and can also be done online. Make sure you contact us on our website oneaustraliagroup.com. And for free practice material, make sure you use mockmaster.ai. That is our free website for PT practice. It's 100% free with unlimited AI scoring. I'm Malcolm. Thank you.